let's get it started.
It's all love. Let's work together. 719, baby. Colorado Springs Strange Music Street Team.
Cigarette butts, second largest item we find in litter cleanups throughout the entire city, man. It's not just one butt. All that toxin ends up in our waterways, polluting our streams. We can all do our part. Pick a date, pick it up. No littering, stay clean, love guys, and peace, and keeping it real.
All right, we're out here today doing the Polish the Knob event, just trying to give back to the community that has kind of opened its arms to the art that's been going on here in the Nob Hill. We want to contribute with art in the area, but also contribute to the area just being a better place.
Always put a smile on somebody's face.
Nob Hill Urban Arts District. Come out here, clean up your community, not only for yourself, but for the city and making us look pretty. So make sure you guys come out to the 420 Art Jamboree coming up right here at the Nob Hill.
Abracadabra Services, we out here, we outside. We just cleaned up the whole Nob Hill area. Public loved it, so what can I say? It's a great turnout.
This parking lot gets pretty dirty with cigarettes, trash, and you guys really make a difference here, so we appreciate it wholeheartedly.
Nob Hill Urban Arts District.